When the customer uses the pre-assembled Vihood for the first time, it is necessary to peel off the protective film on both sides of the visor. Step 1. Loosen the exhale filter holder on the visor. Step 2. Open the velcro tape on the top of the hood cover a little bit. Step 3. Using a fingernail, gently scrape and peel off the protective film on the visor outside the Vihood. Step 4. Similarly, peel off the protective film on the inner visor of the Vihood. Step 5. Tighten the exhale filter holder. Make sure the filters in the exhaled filter holder are securely closed. If you need to rest your head on the back of your seat, on a train or an airplane, swap the adapter pipe from the main breathing tube hole to the side breathing tube hole by following these steps. Step 1. Disconnect the air hose in the hood from the connector. Turn the nut counterclockwise to remove the connector in the air hose plug. Step 2. Change the position of the air hose plug to the connector. Turn the nut of the connector in the air hose plug clockwise to close. Make sure the nuts are securely tightened. Step 3. Reattach the air hose in the hood with the connector for continued usage. Next, we will proceed to assemble the air filtration system. Step 1. Put the fully charged battery in the battery pouch. Open the velcro tapes on the back of the battery pouch and the blower pouch. Try on and adjust the belt size to fit your waist. Then place the belt on top of the battery pouch and blower pouch where the velcro tapes is located. Reattach the velcro tapes to keep the two pouches in place on the belt. Step 2. Plug in the two ends of the USB cable connecting the blower case and the battery. Attach the breathing tube to the blower case and the connector on the Vihood. Donning and fitting the Vihood. After assembling the complete set of Vihood equipment, please follow these steps for usage. Step 1. Put on the suspension belt with the blower pouch and the battery pouch attached. Step 2. Turn on the battery by pressing the button on the battery. Turn the knob on the blower to adjust the wind speed. Step 3. Raise the Vihood up to your face, put your head into the hood. The forehead pad firmly stay on your forehead. Pull the drawstring on the back of your head to fit the hood around the head. Put your chin inside the hood. Pull the chin drawstring to fit the hood around the chin. If the Vihood is pushed forward, pull on the neck drawstring more tightly and place both hands on the sides of the hat and push the whole hat to the back or maximum visibility. Step 4. Open the battery pouch, thread the breathing tube through the battery pouch cover and press the latch to make the tube more neatly. Turn the knob on the blower case counterclockwise until the click sound is heard to turn the power off. Pull the chin drawstring to adjust the form of the hood as desired. The drinking straws valve usage instruction. During the usage of Vihood, if you want to use drinking straws, please follow these steps. Step 1. Use a soft towel with alcohol to clean the drinking straws valve. Step 2. Wash hands with soap or sanitizer. Put clean drinking straw into the drinking straws valve. Step 3. After taking off the drinking straw, make sure the valve is completely closed. Please stay safe, healthy and use Vihood. Goodbye and see you again.